In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Synchrony Bank. If you're ready to manage your finances with ease and efficiency, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through the step-by-step process of getting your Synchrony Bank account up and running right from your computer or device. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and search for Synchrony Bank on Google. Once the search results appear, you'll want to look for the link that says Synchrony, credit cards, financing, marketplace, banking, and more. Give that link a click and it'll take you to Synchrony Bank's main webpage. Now that we're on the official site, it's just a matter of navigating through the correct sections. At the top of the page, you'll notice a menu. Go ahead and click on Banking. This is where all the online banking tools and account options are located. From there, you'll see various buttons, but today, our focus is on opening an account. Locate and click on the button labeled Open an Account. This takes you one step closer to registering for your own Synchrony Bank account. On the next screen, you'll be greeted with an option that says, Yes, open a Synchrony Bank account. Click that button, and this will bring you to the registration form page. This form is crucial as it requires all your personal information to set up your account. So take your time here to ensure accuracy. The form will ask for a few details, including your name, email address, phone number, and other standard information. Fill in this form with care. Double check all the information you've entered to avoid any mistakes or delays in setting up your account. Once you've filled out the entire form, you'll want to look for the button that says Next at the bottom of the page. And clicking Next submits your information and moves you further along in the registration process. Keep an eye on your email or snail mail for any confirmation from Synchrony Bank regarding your new account. In some cases, they might need additional information from you, so be sure to respond promptly to ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated all the necessary steps to set up your online banking with Synchrony Bank. Now you're all set to take full advantage of the online banking services that Synchrony Bank offers. From checking balances to transferring funds effortlessly, it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Happy banking!